YouTubers. Christmas is approaching and I'm feeling a bit silly. And I'm going to do something very silly. And apologies to all those professionals that made the original way back in 1947, I think it was. Well, anyway, you'll see what I'm going to do. Hang on, that's playing the wrong way. Let's get this going the right way. And here we go. This is fun! Sparky? Sparky dear? Is Miss Spear still here? No, Mother. Miss Spear is gone. Well, who was that playing? Well, I was, Mother. Oh, well, if you must have a little joke, but let me hear you play like that again, while I watch this time. All right, Mother. Come on, piano. Here we go. Sparky, that really was you playing. How did you learn to play so well? Oh, I must phone your teacher right away. I came over as fast as I could when you called. What is it? What's happened? It's Sparky, Miss Spear. He can play the piano. He can play the piano better than anyone. Better than you, his own teacher. Well, now, Sparky's a good student, and he's getting along just fine. But as for playing better than I, what kind of a joke is this? I know it sounds ridiculous. I couldn't believe it myself. But it's true, Miss Spear. I can play better than you. I can play anything at all, and with no music. Do you know what? I think that's about as far as I'm going to go. And I can promise you, I have not had a drink, but maybe I should have done, and then I wouldn't have behaved like a buffoon. Anyway, don't laugh at me because I'm a fool. Now that's another track I must play sometime. Okay, thank you for indulging me. Yeah, you probably need to lie down. Maybe I need to go and lie down in a darkened room now. Okay, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.